English legal shorthand 100 words per minute. Ready? Start. Open. Para. Heard. Learned counsel for the petitioner and the learned assistant government pleader. Para. Rule. Rule is made returnable forthwith considering the prayers made in the petition, comma, we have taken up this matter for final disposal, comma, by consent of the parties. Para. The petitioner has put forth the following prayers in his writ petition. Para. This honorable court may be pleased to issue writ of mandamus of or any other appropriate writ or direction in a nature of writ of mandamus, and be further pleased to hold and declare that impugned oral communication and oral order passed by respondent numbers 2 and 3 declaring petitioner as surplus and further impugned communication and order dated 7/11/2023 passed by respondent number 1 directing observation of petitioner in late बापू साहेब कदम विद्यालय तलावत पालटा तालुका खेड डिस्ट्रिक्ट रत्नागिरी is illegal and unconstitutional and in contravention to the provisions of Rule 26 bracket 1 and bracket 2 of the Maharashtra Employees Private School bracket conditions of service rules 1981 bracket hereinafter referred to as rules of 1981. Para. This honorable court may be pleased to issue writ of certiorari or any other appropriate writ or direction in a nature of writ of certiorari, and be further pleased to quash and set aside impugned oral communication and order passed by respondent number 2 and 3 declaring petitioner as surplus, and further be pleased to quash and set aside impugned communication and order dated 7/11/2023 passed by respondent number 1 directing absorption of petitioner in late Rao Bahadur Bapu Sahib Kadam Vidyalay तालुका खेड डिस्ट्रिक्ट रत्नागिरी. Para. Subject matter. Petitioner, who is an employee of a private school, is declared surplus employee by the education officer, and directions are also issued to absorb the petitioner in another school. Stop. This is done while an order dated 7th November 2023 passed by the education officer. Stop. The petitioner contends that the said order is illegal, and hence the present petition is filed for seeking the prayers as prayed in the writ petition. Para. The petitioner would intensely attempt to convince this court as to the merits of the case. Stop. He would submit that in fact the petitioner could neither have been declared surplus nor there was an occasion to get him absorbed in a different school. Mr. Arjun Wadekar, learned counsel for the petitioner, would submit that the respondent authorities have taken undue advantage of the facts, and by creating incorrect record, the petitioner is declared to be surplus. Stop. He would submit that the petitioner could demonstrate how the consideration applied by the respondent authorities is erroneous in view of the real facts of the matter. Para. This is typical litigation amongst the school management, its employee, also inevitably concerning the authorities under the Jilla Parishads and or the state government. Stop. Generally following are the commonly seen issues arising out of the service terms and the school administration. Para. Seniority, comma, declaration as a surplus, comma, absorption, approval to appointment, comma, approval to transfer, pension related issues, comma, salary honorarium related issues, comma, conservation from service status, comma, application of reservation roster, comma, application of staffing pattern, comma, condonation of service gaps, comma, Salarth identity issues, workload issues, upgradation issues, etc. Stop.